How to turn on safe mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to turn on safe mode on Samsung or any other Android. If your phone is acting weird, apps crashing, lagging, or touch issues, safe mode can help you check whether a third-party app is causing the problem, and here's how you can run it. First method is the most common one, that is to use the power button. For that, press and hold the power button, and when the power menu appears, tap and hold on to the power off button. Once that is done, you can find the safe mode logo right here and your prompt will be shown again. You can tap again to restart phone in the safe mode. All of your downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone as well. So just go ahead and tap on it to turn on safe mode. You should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.